Producers Association tutuusa okusasira kwaffe eri family members yadde sinabako kubasisinkana, but I think after here I'm going to have a one-on-one with the parents. Tunyumyemuko naye nga mwena abaze olwaleero okwerekera muganda waffe tubeebaza nnyo, mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Kino kitulaze nti tuli bawamu, kitulaze nti abantu beno simanyi oba tuli ku kyalo ki naye mulina okwagala kungi. You guys have too much love. We didn't expect this, but thank you so much guys for coming and respecting our brother. You guys, this is a wonderful village. Sina bigambo bingi bya kwogera okujjako okusaba Mukama muganda waffe omwoyo gwe agolamuze kisa. Byonna ebyamusobako tusaba Mukama amusaasire omwoyo gwe agu. We pray to God to welcome his spirit in a very very good way. Of course, Skills has been a very God-fearing person, so we believe he's in the right hands. Nga sinaba kuva wano, let me say something small about death. Temuyina kutya. You should not fear death. Death is part of us. People die every day, and all of us here in the next 50 or 100 years we shall be no more. So we are in the same process. Just that the difference is the time. Esawa yeretawo enjawulo eyo naye nga ffenna tuli mu lugendo lwerumu. So temuba na kutya kungi mbate okufa, mbate sitaani yaleese okufa, sitaani si yaleese okufa, teri muntu yaleese okufa. Death is part of this process gye tulimu mu nsi. So mbadde nsaba all the family members, please be strong. We are in the same route. Today it is our brother who is gone. Tomorrow it is going to be another person. So it is part of us. God created this universe ngachimanyi. Whoever is born must die. Whoever is breathing today, you must face what our brother faced yesterday. You must go through this process in order for you to meet the Creator. Okay? Our brother was a very good producer and he served this nation. Serving negwanga mu buweereza bwe as a music producer. We shall live and dance to his music up to, I think, up to when this world vanishes. So music is something that you produce nechiberao paka, nechiberao like years and years, forever. So he has left a very big gap in our industry and in our association. Gap jaleso yamanyi nnyo kubanga ebintu ebyamagezi, it is not easy to find someone to replace. Ate you cannot find someone, we shall never find another person aina touch yemu nge ya muganda waffe. So it is a very big loss for the audio producers fraternity, the music industry ya Uganda at large. It is a very, very, very big loss. Mwebale nnyo okujja, sina bigambo bingi. Let me stop here. Thank you so much. Bambita Rinex, producer.